Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 replica and kit cars for sale. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video in order to support the channel. Let's get started. Number 1. 1965 Ford Mustang GT 350 Fastback, $60,000, Lodi, California.
There she is in her glory.
According to the seller, this GT 350 is a replica that packs a strong 289 engine with ported and polished heads. It's got a 5-speed transmission, 355 gears in the rear end, and 4-wheel disc brakes. All 4 shocks are QA1 and it comes with a clean title. The paint is a rich candy brandy wine color that really pops. Sounds like a solid and stylish build overall. Number 2. 1965 Shelby Cobra 427 $93,000, Pendleton, Indiana. Seller's description says this is a 2022 backdraft custom-built 1965 SC Cobra replica. It's the big and tall version, so there's more legroom. Under the hood, you've got a 500-plus horsepower, 427 cubic inch small block Ford stroker engine with a Tremec 5-speed transmission. The seller says it's immaculate and has always been stored in a car bubble. Comes loaded with extras and all the bells and whistles. Serious car for serious buyers. Number 3. GT40 replica, $24,000, Hayward, California. Seller mentions this one's built on a 1963 VW Beetle chassis with a fiberglass body. It's got a brand new 1,776 cc engine, freshly rebuilt with a 12,000-mile warranty, plus a new transmission and brakes. Registered clean and ready to go until February 26. The car is described as a real head-turner that's fun to drive anywhere. Just needs new tires and a parking brake. Cash only, no trades. Number 4, 1965 Shelby Cobra, $59,000, Mooresville, North Carolina. According to the seller, this 1965 Shelby Cobra is powered by a 427 engine with triple carbs. The car is in great condition, has even won some local shows, and is said to be an absolute joy to drive. A classic muscle legend that's ready for the road. Number 5, 2001 Toyota MR 2 Spyder Convertible 2D, $40,000, Mansfield, Texas. Seller describes this as a replica or kit build based on the MR2 Spyder, styled after the Ferrari F430. It's got a red exterior, sleek black interior, and a manual transmission paired with a 1.8-liter gas engine. 2 seats, 2 doors, and lots of personality. Perfect for someone who wants that exotic Ferrari feel, but with Toyota reliability and modern touches. Number 6, 1968 Ferrari P6 Prototype, $6,500, St. Joseph, Michigan. According to the seller, this is a handmade copy of the original 1968 Ferrari P6 Prototype, only one of which was ever built. It's all metal, fitted with a Ford 4-cylinder 2300 engine, a C4 transmission, and an MG rear end and chassis. Comes with air conditioning, electric doors, and more. Unfortunately, there was an engine fire caused by a stuck carburetor, so it needs some repairs, including wiring and a new carb. It ran fine before that though, and the owner says it was a long-term project they can't finish due to health. Number 7, 1957 Porsche 356 Speedster, $42,500, Virginia Beach, Virginia. Seller's notes say this one's a 1957 replica convertible built by Classic Motor Carriage. It's got a 1,641cc engine with dual Weber carburetors and a 4-speed manual transmission with a new clutch. The car features 4-wheel disc brakes, Porsche-style wheels, and a gorgeous dark burgundy exterior. The interior is tan with new cocoa mats and Porsche gauges. Comes with full and partial tonneau covers, factory manuals, and build sheets. Described as a high-quality build that runs and drives great. An awesome addition to any collection. Number 8, 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra, $57,500, Shakopee, Minnesota. Seller says this Factory 5 Shelby Cobra comes with a Ford 306 Windsor engine and a manual 5-speed transmission. It's got power steering, trick flow heads and cam, and a 650 Holley double pumper carb. Built in 2011, and the top end has been rebuilt. Sounds like a sharp and well-sorted Cobra replica. Number 9, 1973 Porsche 917, $45,900, Clearwater, Florida. According to the seller, this Porsche 917 replica is powered by an all-aluminum 215 cubic inch V8 engine with an Edelbrock carb and custom dual exhaust. It's paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and features a detailed undercarriage, upgraded suspension, and 4-wheel disc brakes. The burgundy metallic exterior with stripes gives it that race car look, and it even has gull-wing doors. Inside, you'll find black bucket seats, an aluminum dash, and odometer gauges. Comes with 2 detailed build books explaining the components. Number 10, 1965 Ford Shelby Cobra, $45,000, Houston, Texas. Seller's description says, this Cobra replica is powered by a 427 engine and a Tremec TKO 605-speed transmission. The car's fast, powerful, and drives great. Show quality condition with a clean title and a full build description in a folder. Definitely a fun one for anyone who loves classic muscle performance. Number 11, 1957 Lincoln Mark 8 Coupe 2D, $800,000, Portland, Oregon. According to the seller, this isn't actually a Mark 8. It's a Lincoln Premier turned into a full Batmobile replica, built from original schematics. The body's all metal except for the hood and trunk lid, and it's powered by a 351 Cleveland engine. Build documentation spans over 30 years. A truly one-of-a-kind collector's piece for fans of iconic movie cars. That would be it for this episode. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more. See ya!